I've been wanting to show you this. Hello, hello. Going? Nico? Nico. Nico. Okay. Nico. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Wanting to show you this combination. Come. Okay, I've been showing. I was just thinking how to turn the camera. After our dog walk, watching the swallows fly low because it's gonna rain, and I would imagine the moment I show the sky nothing's flying past, but they were just doing their interesting acrobatics just now. Okay, that's the show effect. Never mind. Here's this show effect, there's this show effect. And I found a source of fat. I think that's a woman food somehow, because I found myself, I'm talking so softly because neighbors downstairs speak English also. It's not a big secret, Emily. Reicht. Komm mal her. Reicht, ja? Ist nicht so wichtig. Ist nicht so wichtig. Not so important. Nein. Komm, setz dich. He doesn't trust the rug. Doesn't trust the rug, doesn't... Ja, dann setz dich. Okay. Und ruhig. So there's people walking with their dogs outside. Ruhig, Rico. Ruhig, ja? This is the combination of the apparently so quiet Sunday morning, and already on our way back home everything was awaking, so we had these party people walking in couples, men with men of course, displaying their musculature, and I thought, okay, I have to get out of here because you have this hangovery party vibe. And now it's continuing with the alarming with all the swallows. Whee! When people are walking down there. Swallows. Crow. This is my air aquarium with air plankton. Oh, a wasp wants to eat my stuff. Hey, you go, you fly tiger. I have to chase it away also because otherwise my dog will chase the wasp. Anyway, another fat source, 40% smooth cottage cheese, quark, and egg yolks. So the snotty parts of the egg yolk I fished out with a fork for the dog, and the rest he can also lick out of this thing. And now I combine it like this. I think this is such a discovery because I find it ultimately satisfying, because before I ate only animal products, I used to crave ice cream so much. And actually, if you think about it, ice cream is also cheese, anything fatty. Well, actually not just fatty, also soft drinks, if you remember back when everything has a more intense flavor if it's warmed up, out of the fridge. So when ice cream is out of the fridge, it's also more flavory. So this now, not cold at all, it's just like warm ice cream actually, because all it was ever about, once you're off the sugar addiction, is actually the fat combination. The swallow is screaming. And so here, the fat of the egg yolk is bound a bit to the cottage cheese, so it's more easily, let's see what the Actually, I always just eat off the top layer, but I didn't want to be gross as much. It also attracts original ancient dog breeds if you're handling real food. Yes, you're gonna have the rest of this. So egg yolks on this. Hey, just look how this looks even. And I just actually normally just eat the top layer with both hands, of course, and dip it in the egg yolk again, and so it continues. These are 4 egg yolks now, and this mixture blends so nicely. Yeah, so nicely. You want some? Okay, you want some. I'm gonna give you a demonstration of how funny it looks when he eats this. Oh baby, this is so cute. And he doesn't like to lick my finger for some reason. Come on here. Tea? Okay, thank you. And one more? No? Tea? No. He feels threatened. Look. Tea? No, he doesn't. Okay. Lecker. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Is that lecker, yeah? I'm just glad he doesn't think the camera will eat it away. So he doesn't feel threatened. Man, he's always turning away, but I can't show. But it's lecker, no? I think I'm gonna prepare a second helping. Is lecker? Ja, sehr lecker.